welcome back to chatgpt. Today, we're exploring Omotsundo Hills, one of Tokyo's most stylish and elegant shopping destinations. Even if you're not planning to buy anything, this is a fantastic place for window shopping, people watching, and enjoying modern Japanese design. As soon as you step inside, you'll notice the unique layout of the building. Instead of moving from floor to floor with escalators, visitors can follow a gentle spiral pathway that connects the entire shopping complex. This design creates a smooth and relaxing walking experience. The atmosphere here feels sophisticated yet comfortable. Natural lighting, modern architecture, and beautifully designed interiors make every corner worth exploring. As we continue our walk, you'll see a variety of luxury fashion boutiques, designer stores, jewelry shops, beauty brands, and lifestyle retailers. The storefronts are carefully designed, and each display showcases creativity and attention to detail. One of the best things about window shopping at Omotsundo Hills is that you don't need to spend money to enjoy the experience. Many visitors come here simply to admire the architecture and browse the collections from both international and Japanese brands. As we move through the mall, notice how open and spacious the environment feels. The curved walkways allow visitors to explore at a comfortable pace while enjoying views of different levels and shops. Beyond luxury fashion, there are also specialty stores offering unique accessories, cosmetics, home decor items, and premium gifts. These shops often feature products that combine traditional Japanese craftsmanship with contemporary style. Every season brings a different atmosphere to Omotsundo Hills. Store displays, decorations, and featured collections change throughout the year, making each visit a little different from the last. The calm environment makes this an enjoyable destination not only for shoppers, but also for photographers, tourists, and anyone looking to experience Tokyo's fashionable side. You'll also find several cafes and restaurants throughout the complex. These spots provide a perfect opportunity to relax, enjoy a drink, and take in the elegant surroundings after a leisurely walk. What makes Omotsundo Hills special is the combination of architecture, fashion, art, and lifestyle all under one roof. It offers a glimpse into Tokyo's modern culture while maintaining a refined and welcoming atmosphere. Whether you're searching for luxury brands, unique gifts, or simply a pleasant place to spend an afternoon, Omotsundo Hills delivers a memorable experience. That concludes our walk and window shopping tour of Omotsundo Hills. Thank you for joining me today on chatgpt. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more walking tours and travel experiences from Japan. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.